Hey guys, in 3 minutes I'm gonna show you what you can do with your old not functioning laptop. After consulting a computer technician, I decided not to fix this anymore because the broken part is too costly to be replaced. So I decided to get the internal drive for my files and knew that I can convert it into an external drive. After removing the internal drive, I checked its dimension and bought this enclosure online. I got this from Shopee, worth 275 pesos or around $5 to $6. It came with a user manual and a data cable, which is USB 3.0 already. Now let's open the case and place our internal hard drive. Make sure that it is facing the correct direction. And be careful because it is not that smooth to slip the case. But you will know once it fits perfectly and secured. There you go, our enclosure fits perfectly. Mine is 500 gigabytes or 0.5 terabyte because it came from a small handy laptop. Then once it is plugged on the computer, there's a prompt that says you need to format the disk. It's up to you to format it right away, but for me, I will check the files first and back up what I need. Now that I'm done copying the files that I need, we will type partitions in the search bar so we can go to create and format disk partitions. In there, we will see the partitions of the whole internal drive, as if it is broken down to 3 or 4 mini disks. And then we will just delete those disks. Please be careful that you will select the right drive and not to cause any trouble with the laptop or PC that you are using. So we will right-click each disk and select Delete Volume. And there we have one whole disk. No more partitions. And then we will right-click, select New Simple Volume, then select a letter for your drive. I will click M for Marie. And also to avoid confusion for other disks that usually starts with C, D, E, and F. And name your external drive. I want to unclick Quick Format, and this will take at least 1.5 hours of formatting. And there we have a healthy primary partition. And that's it. You have a brand new external drive, which you can use to back up movies, pictures, videos, or even documents that you seldom use but you think is important. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful random videos. Thanks in advance!